Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 tips to help you become better at affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I just want to share 3 tips with you that are going to help you become a better affiliate marketer. Now, these tips don't just apply to affiliate marketing. If you're somebody who's in sales or somebody who has their own online business or any business in general, then you can use these tips to help grow your business. So before I share these tips with you, if you don't know me, my name is Benjamin, and I just want to take the time to welcome you to my channel, Motivational Marketer. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online or just motivational content, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so I've been involved with affiliate marketing for a year and a half at this point, and there's been a lot that I've learned. I'm not saying that I'm a master at it by any means at all, but I just want to share some valuable tips with you that I've learned that'll help you cut down the learning curve. Because I know it can be frustrating learning a completely new business model by yourself. You don't know if you're making the right steps or not. I know the struggle. Everybody that you see talking about how much money they make online, they make it seem so easy until you try to do it for yourself, only to find that you're not getting the results that you want. So let me just ask you a question. If you're getting started with affiliate marketing or you're just having trouble making sales, is a question that you're asking yourself is, how can I just make a commission? Or what's the secret formula that I need to know in order to start making money online? What magic phrase do I need to say, or what magic button do I need to push so I can start seeing more commas in my bank account? If that's the way that you're approaching affiliate marketing, you need to change your mindset. So let me just talk about these 3 tips with you. And the first tip is to brand yourself. Most beginners make the mistake of just running paid advertisement straight to their affiliate offer. And I used to do the same thing. And trust me, that doesn't really work out too well. I'm sure you might get 1 or 2 people to buy that product if you're lucky. But what you really want to do is you want people to get to know you. You want them to get accustomed to your brand. And the way that you do that is by sending them to your own landing page or capture page and collecting their email address. Once you do that, you can send them over to your affiliate offer. If they don't buy that product, which more than likely they're not going to buy it the first time because, they don't really know that product or they don't even know you. So they're not going to buy that product most likely the first time that they see it. But that's okay because now you have their email and you can just deliver value through a series of emails that you're going to be sending to them. This is going to increase your chances of making a sale because they're going to look at you as someone who's trustworthy if you're delivering value in your emails. Now, tip number 2 is to promote a product that you really believe in. Whatever niche that you're in, or maybe you have your own products that you created, you should fully believe in those products. If you're just promoting a product because you just want to make a quick buck, then you don't really know if there's value in that product. You're not too sure if it's a good product or not. If people buy that product and they find out that it's a crappy product, you're just losing credibility in their eyes. So that means you just decrease your chances of selling them something else in the future. Most people just look at affiliate marketing as, how can I make a commission? I just want to find a customer, get them to buy, and then I'm going to move on to another customer. But affiliate marketing is a long-term strategy. So the way people succeed in affiliate marketing is that they get customers to buy from them over and over again. So it's not really just about promoting this one end-all be-all product. It's about branding yourself to your customer and letting them know that you have value to offer them. If it's one product that they're not buying from you, you can offer another product, and they know that that product is going to be valuable because you're the one promoting it to them. You're delivering value in the content that you're creating, and you're building up trust in their eyes. So they start to see you as an authority figure. Now, a great example of a product that I believe in is a program that I'm affiliated with called Legendary Marketer. And this program basically taught me everything that I know about online marketing and starting an online business. It's an awesome program for anybody who's looking to get started with the online business, but they have no clue where to get started. Now, I did a review about this program in a past video that I've done, and I'll leave a card up here so you guys can check that out if you guys want to learn more about Legendary Marketer. Or if you guys want to learn how you can get started, just check out the first link in the top of the description in this video to get started. Now, tip number 3 is to build an audience. This is kind of related to the first tip, which is branding yourself, but building an audience is going to help you increase your chances of making a sale. If you're consistently working on building your audience by delivering value in the content that you're creating, people are more likely to buy whatever you're going to be promoting to them. If your message is resonating with your target audience, I mean, they're going to buy whatever you have to promote because they feel like they know, like, and trust you if you're delivering value and addressing a problem that they're having. If you can relate to them that you're just a normal person just like they are and you have the same struggles and fears that they have, I mean, that just builds more trust with them. Now, a few different examples of how you can build up an audience is by growing a following on social media like Instagram or Facebook, having a YouTube channel and just start growing your subscribers right there, or just building your email list. Now, you don't need hundreds of thousands of followers or subscribers. All you need is a couple of hundred diehard fans, and they're going to buy whatever you're going to be promoting to them because you're resonating with them. You're addressing a problem they're having and you're providing a solution to it. You're consistently delivering value to them. Just make sure whatever product that you're promoting to them is going to solve a problem that they're having. It doesn't have to be the perfect product which is going to make them live happily ever after. Just know that that product that you're providing to them or promoting to them is going to address a specific problem that you know they're struggling with. So those are the 3 tips that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Just to quickly recap, number 1 is to brand yourself. Get people accustomed to your face, your name, or your brand. Number 2 is to promote a product that you really believe in. Don't just pick a product because you see it's going to make you the most money whenever somebody buys that product. You have to know that that product is really going to help somebody and you fully believe in it. And tip number 3 is build an audience. Work consistently to grow your audience. Don't just throw out any kind of content out there and just hoping somebody will take that bait or just buy that product. Growing an audience is going to take your business to the next level. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to smash that like button. And as I mentioned earlier, if you guys are interested in getting started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description to learn more. Whoops, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.